ayibe la ekhaya kusho ukuthi ngamanye amagama uyibeka nje straight ukuthi ama tenders nama projects maweze anikezwe amalunga we-IFP ngoba ukukhala ngokuthi yibona basuka bayokhankasa bayenza manje uzibuza ukuthi ukukhankasa kungenaphi kulento lebe kakhuluma ngayo. Two things here, if not three. One, the IFP must act on him. If it fails to act on him, it will mean ukuthi bayayisupporta lento ayishoyo and bavumelana naye in that. And I don't think ukuthi really if they use the common sense, they will agree with what he said. They need to take him to task. If they don't take him to task, it will be clear to the people ukuthi IFP doesn't care about people. Whether there's a resignation of the MM or no resignation of the MM who was there during that time, it won't stop these processes. And we want kahle kahle ukuthi public protector nayo la should ingene la. I think that is the element esizoyifuna thina because this is public purse.
Ngelo Makhiwa TV sikubingelele sikwamukele usukela namhlanje ke siza kwena sibukhoma la eFryhead mawofisini ke African National Congress anda ke umzala Nxumalo region. Usukela namhlanje sizoba ke nengxoxo ekhethekile ke nokukhulumela ke lenhlangano kuyo le region yena ke ubaba ke uLawrence wakwaDube. Right babDube sikubingelele sikwamukele ohlelweni namhlanje kuMakhiwa TV sibonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho sinikeze sona.
Cha nami ngiyakubingelela futhi ngibingelela nababukeli beprogram yenu ku TV uMakhiwa show ne uMakhiwa TV yes yeah.
Right asivele sihlalo dabeni udaba lokuqala ke sokhuluma ngalo aneneme ngenkulumo enziwe ke usomlomo wemasipala wakhona lapha kwaNongoma ngabe mhlambe yini ehlalo kule nkulumo enenzani khali kangaka.
Cha si worried kakhulu ngenkulumo yenziwe uSpeaker wakwaNongoma local municipality ngokuthi ibonisa ukungaqondi kahle ukuthi umkhandlo or igovernment isebenza kanjani. Okokuqala fuze umphakathi wazi ukuthi ipublic purse imali yomkhandlo ayigeneratewa inhlangano thizeni. Imali yomkhandlo imali ebuya ku national government from our taxes esiwakhokhelayo. Manje uma umuntu azothatha imali yomphakathi afuna ukuyenza imali ye political party yakhe, it's wrong. The Municipal Finance Management Act ayivumi lento leyo. So umuntu makazophuma nje in public akhulume so recklessly and worse in an event ye government, it is a problem because those words he uttered them ku program yomkhandlo we ZDM. ZDM apparently belethe and this thing ama water schemes laphayana, and maybe he was welcoming abantu, then out of excitement or rather I don't know, he was so reckless. That is why we are not happy because vele I behavior or the statement as shilo kuyasenza nje ukuthi sikhole ukuthi mhlambe that is the way IFP operates even in these other municipalities.
Okay, if I may ask so that we can get a clear understanding. ANC ikhaliswa ukuthi usomlomo ukhulume kanje okanye ikhaliswa ukuthi it's happening because we know ukuthi from a public perspective public do know ukuthi kwamanye amaqembu mhlambe you have to be a certain member of a certain organization in order to get a job inside the municipality, or are you a service provider, you want to provide the municipality with your service but you need to fall under a certain organization. So your main concern now is secteni ikhulunywe in public okanye secteni it's happening vele even the public knows.
We can say maybe it was a slipper of a tongue, but ngento lo muntu ayikhulumayo ayazi ukuthi iyayenzakala. So uma ekhuluma ubekakhuluma into that is exactly in his mind, knowing very well ukuthi it happens. Khumbula usenda this message to uSihlalo usihlalo we-IFP in the region, who happens to be the mayor of ZDM. And usho negama lakhe ukuthi Councillor Sibanibani sifuna sikhathele thina ukuthi abantu bathola imisebenzi kumasipala wethu asibasuke futhi bahambe bayofunda other political parties. Manje ke mayisebenze la ekhaya, mayibe la ekhaya kusho ukuthi ngamanye amagama uyibeka nje straight ukuthi ama tenders nama projects maweze anikezwe amalunga we-IFP. Ngoba ukhala ngokuthi yibona basuka bayokhankasa bayenza manje uzibuza ukuthi ukhankasa kungenaphi kulento lebe kakhuluma ngayo. Ubudedengu nje masivumeni nje ukuthi ube ebudedengu but ubudedengu bakhe busivula amahlo ukuthi ukuthi into eyenzakalayo. But as usho nawe ukuthi even in terms of employment uyobuke nje many people, because of desperation out of the situation, the kind of life esiphilayo, wherein our municipalities are failing to bring development, are failing to draw up investment, ukuze kube nemisebenzi, openly so kube nemisebenzi eminingi. That's where you find this manipulation happening, wherein a particular, a political party will actually draw its membership from, desperate people abafuna imisebenzi. Base bayenze straight nje ukuthi you will never get a job if you are not a card-carrying member of party yethu.
Now that you are mentioning that, ngifuna ke sibuke ngale perspective njengamanje maningi ama graduates asuka ema university angasebenzi njengamanje. Masingaphuma nje la ngaphandle sithi let's go to maybe 5 people abafuna imisebenzi. Ebese sithi to be part ukuze uthole umsebenzi joina iqembu elithile. Mhlambe only one person can decline out of 5, and that is done by high unemployment and desperate njengombusho. So ngifuna ukuzalana ke mhlambe if you can look at i-ANC since iyaphatha uhulumeni mhlambe ikuphi engakwenza ngcono ukuze provide ama unemployment so that singakwazi ukuthi si avoid ama situations afana nalawo.
You see, when we talk about local economic development, because I think I spoke about investments, the only sad part ekhona ukuthi imiphakathi yethu ibheke ukuthi umasipala or rather i-government kube yiyo provider imisebenzi. Kanti no, it's not supposed to be like that. Ngokuya ngami umasipala is the one, or rather government is the one that is supposed to facilitate into ukuthi kube nama investments wherever people are, so that this thing of public private partnership. Now, as government, we must invite investment from private sector. Then in that fashion, then we are able to, magnitude we must invite it, meaning that for the sense ukuthi environment be conducive. Let's take for instance a company in Heidelberg called Karen Beef. If they want to come here, basebenza ngenyama labantu baneyinkomo eziningi. If they are to come in the area, we need to make sure that they've got enough land. And mangithi land, we've got even land for grazing. They must have enough water, they must have enough electricity for them to process whatever that they need to process. And because it will be useless for a municipality to go if we need investment and at the end of the day, I was to provide the basic services. And I think here in the northern part of KZN, where we are situated, the only problem is scenario ileyo yokuthi our priorities seeing amamasipala are not actually focused on that which is bring more investment so that private sector can come and invest, and in that fashion more jobs are being created. That is why uthola lento yemanipulation. And it's like many political parties, particularly ziphethe ngapha, or the political party that ephethe in most of the municipalities in the northern part, ungathi enjoy lento ukuthi abantu bahlupheke so that izokwazi ukuba manipulate bazi ukuthi bayavotelwa bahlala in power. Because now if we can have more jobs opportunities, particularly from the private sector, you can see ukuthi the very same graduates that we talk about, all them, 5 of them, they will never even have interest to come and work for the public sector. They'll prefer to go to private sector because salaries are more competitive as compared to public.
Yeah, that is true. Mhlambe ke masibuyela ke kwenkulumo ke somlomo ke omasipala kaNongoma. Mhlambe njini njenge ANC yini enifisa yenzeke? Mhlambe nifuna akhiphe a public apology. What is it that you wish him to do?
You know, in my statement, I've indicated to go to a statement as Shilo. Kubonakala ukuleka ukuqonda ngendlela igovernment and nokuthi ama procurements ku public sector ayenzwa kanjani. Ukhumbule when we take out a tender out, SCM ikhipha I-tender leyo, lot of things, lot of committees ziyahlala. BCM, adjudication committee up until umuntu ayithole I-tender. So it is clear ukuthi ngento lento ayishoyo ufuna ukuthi umkhandlu i-collapse ngoba kunama tenders afuna ama grades mhlambe masikhuluma ngomgwaqo uthola ukuthi kufuneka umuntu one 8 GB ngokwe-CIDB and masithi in that area abantu benkatha ke abanayo leyo grade leyo. What will happen? Usho ukuthi nawo uzothatha umuntu noma ana 2 GB ukuthi uzomnikeza umsebenzi just because IFP akana ma skills lo muntu akana anything. And that is exactly wabalento ayikhulumayo iyaz manifesta because in some of the municipalities you find umuntu bathi usebenza emanzini. Lo muntu fuze asinike afaka ama chemicals emanzini lapha yana ukuze kubalanceke amanzi angabi ne-acid eningi angabi alkalinic kakhulu. You find nje bathatha umuntu nje just because uze ngani ngecard thizeni then uyangena lo muntu wasebenza. That's a big problem. That's a big problem. Actually, hence we say sicela nje ukuthi I-IFP sezeli favor must discipline him. Actually, he needs to be taken out because he has proven out in public ukuthi nje akayiqondi i-governance. Akayiqondi total. We need 2 things here, if not 3. Yeah. 1, the IFP must act on him. Yeah. If it fails to act on him, it will mean ukuthi bayayisupporta lento ayishoyo and bavumelana naye in that. And I don't think ukuthi really if they use the common sense, they will agree with what he said. Yeah. They need to take him to task. If they don't take him to task, it will be clear to the people ukuthi IFP doesn't care about people. It doesn't care. No matter how reckless you can be, should they just bakufake nje bakufake ekhwapheni yabona bakufike. Secondly, though we know very well ukuthi COGTA still inama issues wayo ngokwe leadership. But COGTA needs to intervene here. We will still be writing to COGTA ukuthi intervene on the matter. And we want COGTA to investigate manje ukuthi lama tenders hayi ukuthi nje lo muntu ukhuluma because of maybe uyakhuluma. I think it's something that is actually happening in that municipality. So you see, a can of worms now has been opened, and we need ukuthi manje must go deeper and sibuke lento lena. The SIU must come in. Public protector needs to come in. Okay. We can't just leave this issue lying the way Gungati is business as usual. We are talking millions, and this is an insult also to local business people or any person who is a business person, that you are going to be denied the right to bid in a place, in a municipality, just because you are not a member of the IFP. or rather even when bakhipha tender, you know, people will have even less interest to go bid there because automatically they know we are just wasting our time by bidding there ngoba already you must be a member of the IFP for you to be considered for that. It's wrong. It's wrong. That one we need to see condemn nje publicly nje, so we condemn it. Into nje iyathusa kahle kahle umhlola.
Okay, siyakuzwa ke lokho ke ukuthi ke that those are your final calls, if I may put it that way. Okay, when you spoke of that is not the only issue that you are worried about as the ANC. You spoke about loan or masipala waseZululand district elinganiselwa ku 100 million, and then yahamba yayothenga according to uchairperson wa IFP uphinda abe umayor, yahamba yayothenga ama necessities that were designed for, and then there was a missing amount le ekuthiwa ke under investigation no auditor wawenza ama recommendation ukuthi ke kusamele ke kubuzakala ukuthi le mali le engaka yashona. I was speaking with the MPEC chairperson naye wayiconfirm into efana naleyo ukuthi they are still waiting for investigating. So what is it that you are worried about regarding this matter?
First into esiwarishayo ukuthi imali engaka ithathwe under the disguise ukuthi izoyenza a particular project. And I was looking at the MPEC document here, Zululand, over this matter. It is alleged that it's not even allegation, it's there on paper that 63 million was used, 63 or 65 million was used to purchase those generators. And I can, with confidence, indicate Guti MPEC has requested Uguti it needs people who are adjudicating on the matter. It needs also the purchase receipts of these generators, because of which I agree with them. You'll find that Gutuama generators are tengiwe to the value of 65 million, and to find that maybe those generators were costing 20 million or Senyabegi Sanje. Yeah, and then the other money we want to know. That's why I agree with the MPEC request, what is it that they want? Maybe outline what is it that they want. I think there are about five things which I fully agree, and which I believe as an ANC we will stand with the MPEC and agree with them to say they need the bid adjudication committee a composition. They say provide the names and designation of the officials who formed that BAC for these specific procurement processes. Two, they say they need a comprehensive list of bidders, meaning the people who participated in the process, those companies that bidded. And then they need the selection outcome, a detailed list of the shortlisted bidders, as well as the names of the successful bidders to whom the contract was awarded. Four, they need specification development process, a narrative report, and supporting minutes detailing how the technical specification for the generators were developed prior to the bid invitation. They need the manufacturer's documentation, copies of all delivery notes, which must include the manufacturer's technical specification for each generator unit delivered to the municipality. They want receipts, uguti ifike nini leyo generator, yayo installwa kuphi, yasebenza kanjani. So I think those are the things that public should know. And I'm quite happy uguti members of this MPEC raise sharply these things. They wanted this information by the 13th of February, which was last week Friday. I hope what is these documents. Look, these issues were raised by the Auditor General. Yeah. And remember, this is 2023, 2024. We are in 2025, 2026 now. And a lot has happened, you know, leadership change in the Yabon and reshuffling and all that. And it really actually even triggers ukuthi makuvela these things lazy, then kuba nama resignations abakhona. But I believe ukuthi whether there's a resignation of the MM or no resignation of the MM who was there during that time, it won't stop these processes. And we want kahle kahle ukuthi public protector nayo la should ingene la. I think that is the element esizoyifuna thina, because this is public purse. We've been wondering somehow ngendlela ZTM operates. Mhlambi the public should know a mandate given to district municipalities. But you see, there is lots and lots of projects that are taking place, and Otuabuga, they benefit, certain group of people in an area. So those things are really, really worrying. We want this matter, to be dealt with. This time we're not going to leave this thing lying, because Mankumbula Gashi, as ZTM has been very, very notorious about this thing. At some stage, some bodyguards were paid a lot of money. Somebody had a lot of bodyguards, and those issues were never like taken seriously, and the public protector was never involved. Even saying Shuguti SIU ikona itate ienze ama findings, nothing really happened. So, but now we believe Guti, this one, we're not going to let it lie so easy. We will move with it. If it means that we involve the president of the country, the minister of culture, let it be so, because this is public purse. Zululand District Municipality main core function yayo, it's water and sanitation. And we've got a problem where in some areas still today water is still delivered ngama water tankers. And you ask yourself a question, why should it be like that? We are moving, we are modernizing everything where people should just open a tap and get the running water. But people basama ngama bucket, we still have got people who don't have toilets. You ask yourself, what is going on? Yet people still, go and want to vote for organizations that really don't care about them. They only care about people when it is elections. They can feed you every day for 3 or 4 weeks while you are busy with the campaign. But feed every day. And the question is that sustainable now? After elections, then what happens? What happens? Nobody cares. Yeah, that is the problem.
Okay, there you have it, Mbukeli lapha ekhaya. Mhlawumbe kawakho kuvala ke, since sendraise lama issues awutho yokuqala yakhe usomlomo kaNongoma isibili 100 million. So let's just conclude this once and for all. Ni vala ngaliphi njenge ANC mhlawumbe kumbukeli obukele lapha emakhaya?
Sithi thina incwadi ivulekile ibhaliwe. You can read it, and ibhalwe ngama capital letters. People say Stembe. Stembe. That is the slogan. And then you go there, ubathembe ngevote yakho, and then what happens? They take money and do all these mysterious things. We are saying, Tina, with the ANC, together we can do more. Let's work together and ensure ukuthi si improve impilo zethu. As I indicated now, it is a shame, kahle kahle, ukuthi people still don't have toilets, decent toilets. People don't have decent running water in their taps. Kuba neyikimu eziningi la, water schemes eziningi. All those things, mina ngibona nje ukuthi ukudliwa kwemali nje. People don't benefit. Lot of things, leyikimu lezi ezinye sezifile azisasebenza kusenzeki lutho. But a lot of money was injected in creating those things. Maybe the last call could be Uguti, maybe the ZDM needs to be investigated kahle. It needs all operations as a corner. Mhlambe state starting back from 2015 when the last previous administration started. I know what rot has been happening in the since, but you know, just to prove Uguti, there is a lot that will question. It could be starting from 2015 coming to date. You know, I will say I know for a fact Uguti, there are municipalities that are supposed to get money from ZDM for water and sanitation. But that money is not reaching those municipalities. So you ask yourself a question, Guti, Kanjani, how do you expect those municipalities to perform while they don't get what they're supposed to? Even equitable share that is coming from ZDM, that is going to ZDM, but supposed to go to local municipalities. Those municipalities don't get it. And I can challenge anybody on that one because I know that is a fact.